hang out in one of the few remaining communities in the greater Orlando area where you can still get a beautifully renovated home for under $400,000, which we love. I'm standing in front of my newest listing, 4636 Mesa Verde Drive in St. Cloud, Florida, and I'm so excited to take you guys inside and show you all of the amazing things that my sellers have done to the property. My name is Kristin Calhoun with the West Collection by eXp Realty, and if you want to stay in the know about all things going on around Central Florida and see all of the beautiful properties we have available for you, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and let's head inside and check it out. Welcome to this beautifully updated 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home located right in the heart of St. Cloud. Since the current homeowners purchased this in 2021, almost everything has been cosmetically updated, making it truly move-in ready. You'll immediately notice the attention to detail throughout, starting with the custom-designed kitchen. It features an oversized island, quartz countertops, and custom-fit cabinetry, making it a dream space for anyone who loves to cook or entertain. Just off the main living area, you'll find a cozy Florida room perfect for relaxing with a good book or hosting friends and family. The open concept layout flows seamlessly into the living area, creating a bright and welcoming atmosphere. Brand new flooring, modern light fixtures, and ceiling fans throughout give the entire home a fresh, contemporary feel. Major systems have already been taken care of for peace of mind. The roof and water heater were both replaced in 2020, the AC is from 2022, and the attic was fully re-insulated in 2021. The guest bathroom has been fully remodeled, and other upgrades to note are updated appliances, a new garbage disposal, a basin-style sink in the kitchen, USB integrated outlets in the kitchen island, and freshly cleaned AC ducts. Unique touches like a charming breakfast nook and banquet-style dining area add character and functionality to the space. And let's not forget about the location. You're just minutes from the Florida Turnpike, making commuting easy and close to multiple shopping and dining options as well. If you're looking for a home that combines thoughtful updates, comfort, and convenience, this is the one you don't want to miss. Click the link in the description for more information or to schedule your private tour today.